is solar powered cars. What is the project? Uh, the sun is an inaccessible source of energy, so it is absurd to think what humanity will do when the oil disappears and that the application rate of these derivatives are fit. In solar energy, many assistants have tried to recycle energy and turn it into life. Since when the environmental state of the planet was analyzed, we found that the reduction of natural resources that humanity depended on this exists continue. Knowing how important the means of transport and energy they use are a significant field of work in the fight for the protection of the planet. There are circumstances propane used to designate a car powered by solar energy, which is intended to start the photovoltaic application in light vehicles in Peru. The objective is to reduce environmental pollution and use solar energy. They will be designed only in cars. The fuel will be essential for solar energy. The electric motor has an approximate performance of 19%, very high compared to thermal motors. The battery charge also has a performance of 19, so the electric car is a greater than any alternative energy. In order to design the car, we will have to analyze every detail that the vehicle has and verify how much energy it needs. Now that every time the vehicle passes through a shadow or through a place that is cloudy, it will discharge a great deal of energy or stock. To design the vehicle, we need a suspension consisting of spring springs. The brake system has to be located at the rear. The drive shaft corresponds to the transmission element, power and final movements in the wheels. We added a different system that was proposed as a different alternative to the commonly planetary satellite speed differential system, which has four gears which generates loss of power, greater weight and heat costs. To include the parts that we will need are front axle, chassis, bodywork, tires, wheels, electric motors, batteries, power converters, auxiliary technology and control system, photovoltaic system and finally solar panels.